Have you ever spent time preparing fries, chicken wings, or roasted vegetables only to pull them out of the oven and discover they're unevenly cooked, soggy underneath, or swimming in grease? If that sounds familiar, you're definitely not alone. A lot of people want crispier food without buying another countertop appliance, and that's where today's product comes in. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Donguli Air Fryer Basket for Oven. This stainless steel basket and tray set is designed for home cooks who want healthier meals, better airflow while cooking, and easier cleanup without investing in a separate air fryer. The idea is simple. Use your existing oven more efficiently and get closer to those crispy air-fried results everyone loves. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. At first glance, the Donguli basket has a practical, no-nonsense design. It's made from stainless steel, which immediately feels more durable than some cheaper coated alternatives. The mesh basket sits elevated above the tray, creating space underneath for hot air to circulate. While that may sound like a small detail, it makes a noticeable difference in how food cooks. Instead of sitting directly on a flat baking sheet where moisture can collect, food gets exposed to airflow from multiple directions. The size is another strong point. There's enough room to cook larger portions in a single batch, which is especially helpful for families or anyone meal prepping for the week. Rather than cooking multiple rounds of fries or chicken, you can often fit everything at once. That convenience alone can save time on busy evenings. The overall build feels sturdy, and because it's stainless steel, it inspires more confidence in long-term durability compared to thinner wire racks that tend to warp over time. In real-world cooking, the basket performs exactly the way most buyers hope it will. The elevated mesh design helps foods cook more evenly, especially items that benefit from airflow, such as fries, chicken wings, fish fillets, and roasted vegetables. One of the biggest advantages is that you don't need to flip food as often because heat can reach more surfaces during cooking. The result is a crispier texture and more consistent browning across the entire batch. What I particularly like is how naturally it fits into a normal cooking routine. There's no setup process, no controls to learn, and no extra appliance taking up valuable counter space. You simply place the basket on the tray, add your food, and cook using your oven's normal settings. Since it's using your existing oven, there's also no additional noise to deal with, which makes the experience feel seamless. Cleanup is another area where this product delivers. The tray catches grease and crumbs before they reach the bottom of your oven, helping reduce baked-on messes. After cooking, a quick wash with soap and water is usually enough to get everything clean. For people who dread scrubbing oven racks or dealing with greasy baking sheets, this can be a surprisingly useful improvement. Of course, there are a few limitations worth mentioning. While the basket improves airflow significantly, it won't completely replicate the performance of a dedicated high-powered air fryer. If you're expecting restaurant-level crispiness every time, expectations should remain realistic. It's also important to verify that the dimensions fit your oven before ordering. Compared to similarly priced air fryer baskets on the market, Donguli offers a strong balance of size, durability, and versatility. Some competing baskets focus solely on air frying, while this one doubles as a cooling rack, draining tray, and general-purpose cooking accessory. That extra flexibility adds value, especially for people who cook frequently. Overall, the Donguli Air Fryer Basket is best suited for anyone looking to make healthier meals, improve oven performance, and simplify cleanup without spending money on another appliance. It solves a genuine problem simply, and sometimes those are the products that end up being used the most. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more honest product reviews, and check the link in the description for current pricing and availability before any discounts change.